Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, let's do some math. The normal high temperature for this time of year is about 41. Take a look at the numbers this afternoon around 2 o'clock. Lower 60s, not a record breaker. The record was 67 set back in 1946, but well above average by about 20 degrees. And we have similar temperatures really coming up over the next several days. Threat tracker in low-level green here tonight through Friday and Saturday. Nothing really high impact, significant, certainly no severe weather or storms. Though by Monday of next week, we'll start to get into something more significant as far as some rain and some wind. I'll show you that in the 7-day Futurecast. Beautiful afternoon. Skies are partly cloudy right now. Temperatures cool but not cold, 49. Now note the humidity still very high at 90%. So this will promote low clouds and fog to reform, especially later tonight towards daybreak tomorrow. Warwick checking in a very mild at 50. And most locations now are in the upper 40s to low 50s. In fact, staying well above freezing. We will stay above freezing. It'll never get below 32 for the next 7 days to give you an idea of the milder weather pattern that is settling in. Satellite and radar composite shows the low clouds starting to form once again. Precipitation showers well to our north and west. What determines the temperature, whether it's hot or cold? We have to look at the source region. Very simple. In other words, where's the air coming from? And there are a number of source regions that we look at. One is the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic air up in Canada, warm, humid air that comes out of the Gulf of Mexico, and then mild air that comes in off the Atlantic. So our air masses of late, courtesy of the jet stream, have been coming in off the Pacific Ocean. We're not tapping into any cold air across north central Canada. So this kind of a pattern where we're taking Pacific air and moving it across the country tends to put winter on hold. And that is why, look at the high temps today from coast to coast and border to border. No signs of winter. This map looks more like late spring rather than, well, early to mid-December. Getting real close. You see that 62, the high temp today, and we'll do it all over again for tomorrow. Note the temperatures this evening and overnight in the upper 40s. The low clouds and fog rolling back in. Here we are tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Kind of murky, thick clouds and some fog, but watch how it thins out and it burns off. Certainly by noontime, around 1, 2 o'clock, sunshine gets to work, and once again, we've got a repeat performance. Temps in the lower 60s, and by tomorrow evening, we'll settle back into the lower 50s. So low clouds starting to work in later tonight, temperature at around 50 at midnight. Tomorrow morning, especially early, kind of murky, but watch what happens late morning, improving nicely, and then jump ahead to the afternoon, and here we go. Once again, very mild, a beautiful day. 7-day Futurecast. Weekend still looks warm for this time of year. Sunshine Saturday, upper 50s, near 60 on Sunday with some extra clouds, but a mild and dry day. We'll bring in some pretty heavy rain and wind on Monday, especially Monday evening and Monday night, and then drying out, only cooling off slightly next week with temperatures in the mid-50s. So this incredible stretch continues as far as the mild air.
Glad to hear it. Thanks, Tony. And now here